Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with IRS. Welcome to my YouTube station. I've worked thousands of IRS cases. I've been worked at IRS for a decade? Yeah, a decade. So I'm a national expert in resolution matters. I've been on television like a lot. Just go to my website, 777irs.com. We do representation, but I'm here also to give you information you need. You know, many people have absolutely no records to go ahead and take care of their tax returns, and they take to experts. So if you don't have any of your records, I want you to know that there are several companies out there that do expert reconstruction for records. Actually, there's programs out there that you can acquire and buy. So if you're a business, a corporation, a personal, and you've lost all your records, and you say, gee, how do I go ahead and prepare my tax returns? And that's what I found as an agent. People didn't file because they didn't have records, and they didn't realize that Reconstruction, it's actually a business. There's people who gather statistics, and there's IRS approved companies that if the IRS knows you use this company, they generally 99.999% they're going to accept these records as reconstructive records, good to go, because what they've done is they've taken all these records over the years, they've compiled them, and then what they generally do, so you understand the process of this, is they simply go ahead and look at what averages are and percentages are based on incomes, where you live, gross revenue. All these statistics are all thrown into a big algorithm. Today with AI, it's going to get real sharp, and it's going to be really easy. They're already here today. So if you've lost all your records, there's probably probably 8 or 9 companies that anybody can use if they know what they're doing, and they can reconstruct your records without a problem. So if you are a business, a corporation, a partnership, and you've lost your records, if you go to a competent professional, they should be able actually to just use your reconstructive records to prepare your returns, and IRS will accept them. That's one of the things that we do, so we know what's going on. Just want to let you know, we've been doing this a long time. If you have lost your records, you're a business or corporation, we can easily go ahead and reconstruct those methods. So give us a call, and we answer our own phones here. We don't have secretaries. It just goes right back to us. But we only work larger cases, so if you need to file that 1040, corporation 1120, 1065, whatever, LLCs will reconstruct your records for you, and IRS will absolutely approve those reconstructive records. Call me, give me a subscription. I give you really cool stuff when you need. Thank you.